Hey everyone. Um, a lot of twin flames and soulmates are going through a period where you may have, been in contact with your soulmate or, counterpart, and things may have turned a little sour. They may have fallen to old patterns, or they may have, just certain things may have come up again. Cycles may have repeated or something like that. And they had their chance, whatever, and they sort of did it all over again. And it's putting you in a situation to where like you were waiting for them, or you've been working yourself for them, and working on yourself to, because twin flames have the same, or are trying to go for union, and soulmates have a form of union as well. So they're trying to work on each other to be better for each other, to be on the same frequency. So you may have been expecting that from a partner, and they may have fallen back into old patterns, and such like that happens. Then the universe will sort of welcome you with new love interests and such like that. So you guys may be expecting, or may soon to be expecting sort of signs and synchronicities and dreams of seeing, constantly seeing some form of new love interest. And it could be like from past lovers or past soulmates, and coming back into your life. But the universe will be showing you that they're interested in you. And of course, as you're seeing this in some fashion for twin flames, I know soulmates, you can probably get this signs as well, that your soulmate for soulmates, and then counterpart for feminines and masculines, twin flames, that your counterpart will be seeing also what you're seeing. That sounds so confusing, sorry about that. Basically, soulmates, the person that you are of interest in, or interested in, will also be seeing the new lover that may be coming into your life. Same for twin flames. So twin flames, you will be seeing this new lover or past lover coming back in. They may be of the same vibration as you, and maybe not, but this new love or some fashion will sort of be able to open you up to more, possibilities, or open you up to new ways of love. And it can also help you and better you, and you never know where that may lead you down the line. But a lot of that is coming in for individuals, and masculines may have fallen into old patterns and did the same thing before, which has led to them to this situation. So the universe is sort of waking them up to it, like this is actually happening, and you need to work on it so that you don't fall back to temptation, because you're all trying to work together. So sort of expect that to come, possibly be happening now, or it could be possibly happening in the next few weeks. And so you'll have your signs, you have your synchronicities, you have your dreams, if you have them, your visions, if you have them. You'll hear from your guides and such. You'll get a lot of messages. If you do receive messages, you'll be getting them from your guides, the universe, to indicate this. And of course, it's entirely up to you whether you want to accept a new love interest in your life, or to focus on yourself or do whatever you want. It's always up to you. You have free will. It's just the universe is offering you that option in a way to express yourself with another lover or another love interest, just to have, you have a variety of choices out here to have some form of love in your life. And that's what the universe is doing. It's providing you with that option. You can always go back to your masculine if you want to, or your soulmate, whichever way you want to put it. Yeah, take care, guys. Talk to you later.